Did you know that kebabs have been part of Persian culture for centuries? The word kebab itself comes from the Middle East, but it was in ancient Persia, where grilling meat over open fire became an art. Jujeh Kebab, which means grilled chicken in Persian, is one of the most beloved dishes in Iran. It's often served at weddings, family gatherings, and weekend picnics. Every family has its own marinade recipe, usually a mix of yogurt, lemon juice, saffron, and onions. In fact, Persian kings in the Safavid era were known to enjoy meats grilled over charcoal. They believed the smoke brought a special flavor, just like what we're doing right here in the forest. Over time, Jujeh Kebab became more than just food. It became a symbol of hospitality. If someone invites you for kebab in Iran, it means you're truly welcome. Today, we're bringing that ancient tradition into the wild, and even without a kitchen, the flavor lives on.
Jujeh Kebab. It might sound like just grilled chicken, but it's actually one of the most recognized traditional dishes in the Middle East. Across Iran, it's part of weddings, holidays, weekend family feasts, and did you know? Iran holds a Guinness World Record for making the longest kebab in the world. A staggering 2 kilometers long, made by hundreds of chefs, just to celebrate the importance of this dish in Persian culture. This isn't just about feeding the stomach. It's about feeding identity when we light this fire. We're not just starting a meal. We're lighting up a story that's been burning for centuries. If you think this is just chicken on a stick, you've clearly never had real Jujeh Kebab, the kind that tastes like fire, history, and home. If you've made it this far, I think you're enjoying the fire, the flavor, and the journey. And that's exactly what we do here, every week. So if wild cooking, ancient recipes, and real outdoor vibes speak to you, go ahead and subscribe to On Wild Quest. You'll be the first to catch the next adventure. Alright, here we go. First bite. Juicy, smoky, right from the lemon. This tastes like fire, like tradition, and honestly, like something you have to try at least once in your life. If you enjoyed this wild ride, drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to On Wild Quest, so you never miss our next fire-cooked adventure. Until next time, stay wild, stay hungry,